Hi everyone, my name is Johnny. I am a content creator for 775 Offroad and Recovery. In this week's episode, we will be visiting Dave. Dave is one of our lucky volunteers who won a MorrFlate air system in our member raffle. Providing gear and training to our volunteers helps the 775 Offroad and Recovery Non-Profit give back to the community and provides ready and willing volunteers to recover vehicles on our local trails. Learn how you can get a discount on your purchase of a MorrFlate system and learn more about our nonprofit at the end of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and follow all our upcoming videos. And for now, let's check out this video. Thanks, Dave, and congratulations.
Hi there. I'm opening up my new MorrFlate tire inflator kit. This is the box. This is the kit right here. I'm really excited about this. This inflates all four tires and deflates all four tires at the same time. Comes in a cool case. Want to thank MorrFlate for this. I was on a rescue the other night and got the Jeep all muddy. Haven't aired up since I got back. This is cool. This is how the kit works. You have two air lines, one for the left side, one for the right side of the Jeep. Undo these Velcro straps. Probably the hardest thing to do is get the Velcro to undo. Of course, I've never used this before. It's brand new to me, so I'm excited. All right, so we're going to walk around to the front of the Jeep. I'll take this, wrap this down this side. Hook it onto the tire. Put this one onto the tire. Turn the valve off, that's important. I'll come around, I'm going to do the same thing on this other side. All four tires, the chucks are hooked to all four tires. Put my knife away. I'm going to plug in my air hose. I'm at home here, so I'm using my air compressor at home. Plug in my air hose there. Check the pressure. I'm at 16 pounds. That's where I was the other night. Open the air valve and see where we go. So this is important to run. It is important to run at least the same air pressure on both sides of an axle. It's easier on your on the pumpkin. Okay, so I aired up in about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm at 27.5 pounds right now. It's kind of going down. The tires are equalizing. I have the air pressure turned off, and it's equalizing from one tire to the next. It's important to run the same pressure in all tires. It's the name of the game on this MorrFlate thing, to keep all tires at the same pressure. Awesome. This thing is cool. Thank you, MorrFlate. Thank you, 775 Offroad Recovery. This was great. I won this in a raffle, and thanks to Frank for giving this to me, because he actually won it. He gifted it to me. So thank you, Frank. Okay, everyone, thank you, and see you on the next recovery.
Thank you, Dave, for that video. Hope to see you on the trail soon. We are always looking for a little extra help and volunteers. If you want to know more about 775 Offroad and Recovery, visit our website at 775ofr.com or reach out to us with your questions on Facebook. Just search 775 Offroad and Recovery in Facebook. If you're ever stuck and need some help getting off the trail, just call us at 775-238-3793 or send us a message on Facebook. We can get you the instructions you need to get in contact with one of our dispatchers. For your MorrFlate discount code, follow the MorrFlate link in the description below and use the code 775OFR at checkout for 10% off your purchase. Thank you to MorrFlate for being a supporter of the 775 Off-Road and Recovery team, and let us know what you think of your MorrFlate system in the comments below. We hope to see you on the trail soon.